Hi, I'm IT. I'm here at Mortgage Scope, and I'm here with the big guy, John. John, who's Mortgage Scope?
Mortgage Scope's a company I started about 5 years ago. I took redundancy from the steelworks and thought I'd like to do something a bit different, a lot different in the finance industry.
John, for those that are looking for home loans or you do refinancing, can you give us some 3 tips of what to look for when you're getting a home loan?
Yeah, the first one I'd say is shop around. There are a lot of products out there. There are, of course, the major banks, but there are a lot that you probably haven't heard of. And a good way to do that is to come to a mortgage broker like us, where we've got 26 lenders on our books.
Tip number 2, John.
Number 2, don't forget, as some people do, to budget for stamp duty, because it can be a really big cost these days. And the other one is, if you're borrowing more than 80% of the value of the property, don't forget to allow for lender's mortgage insurance, which can again be quite expensive when you're getting towards the 95% end of the borrow.
Okay, fantastic. John, there's a lot of people out there paying high rent. Exuberant rent. How do we get them getting them into a property? Well,
with the price of real estate now, as you'd know, it's quite expensive to save up a deposit, and when you're looking at a 5% deposit minimum, plus the lender's mortgage insurance, plus the stamp duty, we're looking more like 10 or 11% that they need.
Wow.
Can be a lot of money. There are some other options. Another option is the family guarantee, where if your parent has good equity in their property or owns it outright, we can use that equity as part of the equity, so you end up only borrowing 80% of what the bank is lending to you.
John, but doesn't this tie up the parents for the holding for the mortgage?
It used to in the old days. Products that banks have now allow, once they have 20% equity in their own property, you can release the parents' property. So you can either do that by paying down as quickly as you can. The other good part at the moment is, with property prices rising, that can happen a lot quicker than you think it might.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you need some home loan advice or refinancing advice and information, come see the home loan specialist and refinancing specialist, John Gill from Mortgage Scope.